Hello everyone, Manard Warren. I wanted to chat with you in this video a little bit about the importance of having compelling, impactful value propositions. Let me give you a little bit of a background. I've had the honor and luxury of working with, talking with so many Fortune 100 companies in the 35 years that I've been in the sales improvement business. One common denominator. Most all companies that I've spoken with, their value propositions are crap. Here's what I mean. To have a good, effective value proposition, basically you have to hit on 4 important points. Who am I? What do I do for companies? Give me an example of how you've done that for a company and how much did it help that company? Well, most value propositions that salespeople are taught contain the first 2 things. Who am I and what do I do? But they are egregiously missing the last 2 things. They have no clue who they've done these things for and what was the result? How did it benefit their client? That is a huge hole in value propositions that salespeople are attempting to use in today's marketplace. Now think about it for a second. If you don't know the answers to those last 2 questions, which is give me an example of how whatever you do for companies, give me an example of a company that it worked for and how much did it help them. If you don't have the answer to those 2 questions, then your value proposition sounds like everybody else in your industry. You have absolutely 0 competitive advantage. Here's what I would ask you to do is to think about the last sale that you made. Why did that company buy from you? What problems did you solve? And as a result of that, what benefits did they derive, did they obtain from switching to your service? And oh, by the way, you'll probably need to go back to your client and ask them this particular question. How much did your service help them? Either in a dollar figure or in a percentage figure. I promise you they know the answer. You just need to go back to them and ask that simple question. Mr. Smith, thank you for being our client. Just a quick question for you. How much is our service helping your company? And how is our service helping your company? Go back. Simple question. Ask that to your client so you can answer those last 2 most important questions in your value proposition so you can differentiate yourself from everybody else that's calling on your prospects that you're attempting to land sales appointments with. It is a key differentiator. It is a gap with 95% of salespeople in the US and in North America. Let's be part of that 5% that goes in there in our prospecting efforts using our best stuff. And I consider that to be your best stuff, is knowing to what degree your solutions are helping a company and how much is it benefiting them, and hang in there until they give you a percentage figure or dollar figure. Now you've got a value proposition that's impactful and it's compelling. You'll get so many more appointments. Thank you for watching the video. I hope this helped. If you haven't already, please hit subscribe. And if you've enjoyed this video, please be sure to like and share.